Where are you guys from?
Japan.
Where
Japan.
You're from Japan?
Yeah.
From where in Japan?
Kobe.
Kobe, me too.
No.
Jay Park, high music, rolling loud Thailand, we here.
Rolling Loud 2023. Yeah.
Okay, Japan?
Okay. Japan.
From Osaka.
From Osaka.
And who did you come to see?
Travis Scott.
And?
Cardi B.
All right.
Central C.
Central C. Have fun. See you. Yeah, teacher, when you come to the U.S.?
I don't know. If I have a chance, I would like to come to the U.S. I would like to go to the U.S.
Everybody watching this from the U.S., you got to watch TJ from Bangkok.
Oh, thank you very much. Come,
Yeah.
watch my take a look at my music at URBOYTJ channel on YouTube.
We're here with Youngohm from Bangkok.
Yeah.
Congratulations, #1 trending YouTube right now in Thailand.
Thank you, bro.
My name is Ayumi.
My name is Narumi.
And we are from Kobe in Japan. And welcome to Rolling Loud.
Hi, my name is Gift. I'm from Bangkok, Thailand. I come for Lil Uzi Vert. See you, Rolling Loud, Thailand.
From Shanghai, China.
And who are you most excited to see?
Well, I saw her yesterday. Her name is A Witch. She is a
From Japan.
That's right. We got to see her, and we got to see her the day before, so that was very exciting. Also got to see Uzi yesterday. Super dope dude, super dope performance. Yes.
And who are you most excited to see today?
Today, oh my God, Rick Ross, the biggest boss. Yes.
I was born. Okay. So they're from Japan, Kobe.
Yeah.
I'm also from Kobe, born in Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who are you here to see?
Chris Brown.
Chris Brown.
Wow. And what's your favorite song?
With you. Oh, say goodbye.
With you?
I gotta see the bird and the horse all over the world tonight. And the horse all over the world tonight.
My name is Mana. From country Kumamoto, Japan. We are at Rolling Loud Thailand, and I am from Shanghai, China.
Big weekend in Thailand. It's rolling loud. It's Songkrong. Songkrong is like the Thai New Year water festival. We got Chris Brown, Cardi B, Travis Scott, all it rolling loud. Thailand in Pattaya. Hey, where are you guys from?
Singapore.
Singapore.
Different.
And who do you most want to see?
Travis Scott, bro.
Which song?
Sycamore, bro. Forever.
And who do you most want to see? Who's your favorite artist?
Lil Uzi Vert.
What's your favorite song?
XO to Alive.
Where are you from?
Thailand.
Thailand. What city?
Bangkok.
And who's your favorite artist?
Kispa Oli.
Favorite song?
Under influencer. Influence. Yes. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Point Star from Bangkok, Thailand.
Yes, I'm Shack, Thailand.
I'm from Thailand.
I'm Beth, Thailand. Rolling Loud 2023.
I'ma rule the world, I'ma rule the world, yeah. I'ma rule the world, I'ma rule the world, yeah. 색다른 느낌으로 만드는 막 나만의 세상 만들어 장악. I'ma rule the world, I'ma rule the world, yeah. I'ma rule the world, I'ma rule the world, yeah. I'ma rule the giant that I run up, yeah.
Here we are behind the scenes of Rolling Loud, and we're at the main stage. And right now they're getting ready to have a couple very popular Thai artists perform. So let's go check it out, see if we can catch up with them for a minute. You got MILLI. MILLI performed at Coachella last year, the first solo Thai artist to ever do so. So let's see if we can catch up with them here at the main stage. Here we have MILLI, the first Thai solo artist to perform at Coachella last year. Congratulations on your new album.
Thank you so much. I'm so scared and excited right now. Like, about to go out of stage.
Everybody catch Youngohm. He has views on YouTube of some videos like 230 million. Trending #1 in Thailand. Check him out.
We here Rolling Loud 2023. Thailand, let's get it, man. Thailand.
It's #1 on YouTube Thailand right now. It's called Tat Tong Sound. โชว์ให้ฝรั่งมันดูหน่อยได้ป่ะโย่ลิขสิทธิ์เด็กวางแข็งแรงเหมือน
go check out the happenings, talk to more people, check out the food and the drink offered at Rolling Loud Thailand, the people, the fans, see what kind of trouble we can get into. We have a full-on tattoo studio at Rolling Loud. A lot of tattoos?
Sorry?
A lot of people getting tattoos?
Yeah, of course. We're there try to get here as early as they can to get a tattoo.
The Rolling Loud barbershop. Check it out. The haircuts are free if you're VIP. So for all of you who spent the extra money on VIP, don't forget to come get a free haircut. The Rolling Loud barbershop. So here's where all the females come to get their hair done, get the little glitter on the face. And how much does it cost if I want this, Nike?
How much? I need how much?
$690.
Yes, yes.
So for all the glitter, $690, so like $20 US. It's worth it. I won't.
You want? Okay.
It's called Bunny Bay's Bar. It's popular.
Like Grey Goose Espresso Martini.
Check this out.
Yeah,
Double
sure.
Grey Goose Espresso.
Martini.
Wow, what are you having? Same thing? Thank you. Okay, where are you from?
Originally, I'm from California.
And you live in Thailand?
I do. I've been here for 2 years.
Where do you live in Thailand?
Phuket.
Fantastic. And what's your name?
My name's Courtney.
Courtney?
Yeah.
Cheers. A lot of fun. They gamify it. They let you have double espresso vodkas. Here we are at the main stage ready to watch Jessi. Jessi is from New York, now lives in Korea, but check her out, so popular and so good. When you come to the US?
Hopefully soon. I haven't performed in the US in a while, so hopefully soon. Jay Park, high music, Rolling Loud Thailand, we're here.
So we just left Jessi on the main stage. Jessi's from New York, but living in Korea. Over here to grab a bite to eat. They have Korean ramen at Rolling Loud Thailand. Let's go take a look at the ramen. They have some Thai food, see what it's all about. Hey guys, here I am with Chloe, and if you want to have ramen while you're Rolling Loud, we got some ramen.
Yes, Anyong ramen. Anyong ramen is a beautiful tasty. It's delicious. This is yummy noodle. Our noodle made in Korea and import to selling in Thailand. Good taste.
Delicious, yummy, and arroy.
Yeah.
Chloe,
yeah.
Imported from Korea.
Yes.
So for everyone coming to Rolling Loud in Thailand, you can have a taste of Korea, not only on the stage,
yeah.
but on your mouth.
Yeah. $150. Wow, that's not bad. It's less than $5 for a beer. Ice cold bud, tastes so good. How's the VIP area? Let's go take a look. So this one
Yes.
is
Peach
Parking, yes.
Is it called Bam Bam or Bam?
Bam Bam.
This one's called Bam Bam.
Bam Bam, yes. How was the taste? Yeah.
Your favorite?
Jessi. He's a fan. Oh yeah. Yeah. Just like me ago on the stand. Yeah. My queen.
They love Jessi. We're gonna have Voss water. Nothing better. That's what it's like out here. You saw the barbershop, the tattoos, Bam Bam, Budweiser, Voss water. Now the nighttime starts to heat up. You have like Fat Joe, you have Rick Ross, you have Chris Brown.
Oh yeah, nice to meet you, James.
Where are you from in Thailand?
I am from Bangkok.
And who's your favorite artist?
My favorite artist is Real Palm, Gucci Gang, man. Youngohm, yeah. Youngohm. He's Thai artist.
Bangkok. Yeah. James.
I love you, man.
Much love.
Welcome to Thailand, land of smile, bro. Smile, keep it smile. Yeah.
It's all good in Thailand. It's all good in Thailand. Some of the most friendly people in the world, most warm-hearted, most welcoming. All the way from Cambodia.
Hey, what's up? Cherif.
So Vannda used to save money to come watch the show when he was young.
Just to watch the show.
Now you're performing.
I'm just better than ever, you know. I feel so good today and dream come true.
A lot of hard work and dreams come true.
A lot of hard work, yeah.
Congratulations.
Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you.
One.